DFS 2013 has a small area filter for finishing. This is an area filter for finishing that removes small enclosed pockets of toolpath. It improves finish and prevents tool damage, and the user defines these areas as a percentage of the tool diameter. Now, to perform this demonstration, we have a folder in here for you to use. If you click on the folder, it will open up, and we have the assembly with the part it needs. Plus, we have this small area finish.xml, which is the tool you need for this demo. So I'm going to drag the assembly in. I can get rid of that. There's the part. I need to go to the manager, tool managers, and inside the tool crib, it really doesn't matter which crib, but we're using the tools crib in this demo. You want to import that tool. So I'm going to browse to my rolling demo, find the small area finish folder, and there you'll see that .xml file that you can now import. And one tool is imported. Okay. Close that, and here it is right here at the top of the list. This D10R1, a 10 millimeter end mill with a 1 millimeter end radius. Okay, so what we do is we take this tool, we cut this cavity with just a finishing tool path, and we're actually, in this case, it's a semi-finishing tool path. We're leaving some material that we can come back with a different end mill, maybe a ball end mill to finish this up, maybe more operations for the different slopes. But we're doing a semi-finished tool path with this bull nose end mill. Okay, I'm going to take advantage of my section view here so we can get a good look at what's going on. Get the section view, get the right view and the right location for this. I'm going to cut that little pocket right there. You can see in this area. That's what we're interested in. Okay, so there's the section view. You look over here in the Delcam manager, I have a Z-level finish with that 10 millimeter bullnose end mill. I'll run my centerline toolpath. Okay, get a front view, and you can see that the end mill is going all the way down into this little pocket here, and it's taking some very small circles as it moves down. Well, that's really okay until it gets to this bottom, and what's going to happen is it does a pass around on the bottom, but the tool never really gets off center, so the center of that pocket is not actually cut by the tool. I'm going to try to bring this down close. Slow down a little bit, one Z level at a time. Okay. And let's make my tool transparent. Let's go to top view. And you can see the last, let me clear this. You see the last few moves. That tool is really not getting off center. This whole center of that face is not being touched. And especially if this were in reality the finished toolpath, you get a really bad result there in the middle. So it's better to not even cut this area with this tool. Maybe we can keep out of this area and then come back with a smaller tool that can cut it better. So I'm going to take advantage of my small area filter to do that. Go into my operation, or the process I should say, edit the attributes, area removal, we're going to take out that unsafe area. And this is the percentage of the tool diameter, so we'll eliminate that area entirely. Okay? One more time with the section view and the centerline toolpath. And we can see that the tool stays out of that area. And it prevents it from getting down and sort of riding around and not cutting that center. Again, we can come back, remachine this with a smaller tool.